Go on. Happy bonfire night, guys. It's kind of over. Yeah, we have to move there. Sorry about that. We've got sparklers. We want to play with sparklers and it's sparkler fight.
But yeah,
let's try it out. We just want to say happy bonfire night and be safe. Don't set anyone on fire unless you don't like them. And yeah, let's just spin. Let's try to spell out my name.
No, it's going.
Okay.
Wait, spin, circle.
Just want to say happy bonfire night and stuff. So yeah, we would have done it in dark time, but kind of set me on fire. You did actually set me on fire and stuff. So yeah, we just want to wish you a happy bonfire night and be safe. And after this, the next holiday is Christmas. So enjoy Christmas as well, and let Lisa know. Lisa knows she smells. Joel's awesome. And yeah, have a great bonfire night. And that was
yeah.
So
That was a bit brief.
that was a bit brief, yeah. It was a bit quick.
And you're supposed to burn more than.
And I'm not sure. So yeah. Oh, it's headbutt. Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh, it's close. I actually touched my shoes.
Yeah, see you later, guys. Where you gonna run, Joe? Where you gonna run? We meant to use this to put them out, but it's more fun doing this. Alright, bye, guys. I love you. Remember, smile because the world's more beautiful.